Morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 2, textbook page number 69 and the 70, the chapter division. Now on page number 69 you have the topic division. The example: there are 16 balloons and 4 children. Circle the balloons to make 4 sets. How many balloons does each child get? Now you can see that there are 12 balloons and there are 4 children. So how you will make a group? 3, 3, 3 and 3. You can see that they have circled the 3 balloons, 3 and 3 and 3 balloons to make a group. Now every child can get 3 balloons. So the answer will be 12 divided by 4. 12 balloons divided by 4 children is equal to 3. 3 is the answer because we have three balloons in each group. Each child gets 3 balloons. Now you can see the question number 1. There are 15 cupcakes. They need to be put in boxes equally. Each box can hold 3 cupcakes. How many boxes will be needed? You can see that there are the 15 cupcakes and every box can get the 3 cupcakes. So you will put 3 cupcakes in each box. So how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. There are 5 boxes. So 15 divided by 3. 15 cupcakes and every cupcake get the 3 cupcakes in it. You can see that there are 2 digits which are given to you in question, 15 and 3. So you will divide 15 by 3. The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes. We have 5 boxes. We will need 5 boxes to pack the cupcakes. Now on page number 17, division and multiplication. The example: there are 4 candies bowls and 4 sweets in each. How many sweets are there altogether? You can see that 4 bowls, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bowls and every bowl have 4 candies. Now how many candies are there? You will not count all the candies because it's a long process. So what will you do? We have learned it in a previous chapter. We will multiply it. 4 by 4. 4 candies by 4 balls is equal to 16. There are 16 sweets altogether. If we had to put 16 sweets in group of 4 in candies bowl, how many candies bowl would be needed? Mean you have this 16 candies. So what will you do if you have 4 bowls? So how many candies get in one bowl? So here you can see that every bowl get the 4 candies. So we need the 4 bowls and 16 sweets are divided into groups of 4. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 4 4s are 16 and 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. There are 4 groups of sweets, which means 4 candy balls will with 4 candies each. We multiply. When we add equal groups together, we divide to find the number to equal groups. Now the question number 1. Divide 20 pencils into 5 pencils cases equally. How many pencils are there in each pencil box, pencil case? So what will you do? You will write 20 divided by 5. So equal to what? So what will you do? You will draw 20 pencils. You can see that I have drawn the 20 pencils and every group have 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are the 5 groups and every group have 4 pencils. So when you will divide 5 by 20, so the answer will be 4 because every group have the 4 pencils. So you will write here 4 pencils in each case.